This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Julie.liebler. You will absolutely love this single-family condo located off of Shore Dining Room, near some of the best restaurants, marinas, the Chesapeake Bay, First Landing State Park trails, and shopping. Open floor plan and cathedral ceilings, a first-floor living area, office, primary bedroom, and 2 large bedrooms upstairs. The backyard is fully fenced and professionally landscaped, with a gate to the street for access to additional parking. Also a newer oversized shed to store bikes, lawn equipment, beach chairs, etc. This home has been freshly painted throughout, has an updated kitchen, beverage center, and laundry room. The condo fee includes access to the community pool, front yard maintenance, and trash collection. Truly one of the best locations in Virginia Beach. April 28, 2024. For more information, review the details below.